What's up, YouTube? Big Daddy here. It's time for another food review. Today, we're out here outside of Dairy Queen, checking out the new summer flavors of Dairy Queen. Myself, I got Jurassic Chomp, which is vanilla ice cream, peanut butter chunks covered in fudge,
peanut butter
chunks. and peanut butter, pretty much. So, the mystery guest, she's got the summer berry cheesecake, which is, what is that one? Blueberries,
raspberries, blackberries, cheesecake pieces blended with vanilla ice cream.
All right. Riley in the back has got the cotton candy blizzard, and John's got the Twix blizzard. So we all got one of the flavors of summer on the flavors of summer menu from Dairy Queen today. So let's do this. That's huge. There we go. Right away you get the crunchy fudge covered peanut butter pieces. They're not real hard, which is good. When you eat them, you just break them up and you get that blast of peanut butter flavor with the vanilla ice cream and the chocolate. Look here. If I take one out, that's one of the peanut butter chunks. It's really good. So, mystery guest, what are you thinking about this?
It.
All right. Let me try your summer cheesecake. We'll just skip the cotton candy and Twix, let the kids eat theirs.
How dare you?
How dare I? So this is the summer cheesecake berry blast.
No, it's just summer berry cheesecake.
Summer
blizzard.
berry cheesecake blizzard, sorry. And let's do that. I got a chunk of cheesecake. It's got the nice berry flavor. It's really good. You can really taste the cheese in the cheesecake. It's good. Trade back. So, Mr. Guest, what do you think of the berry cheesecake one?
It's good. I personally like yours better.
I personally like mine better, too.
The only problem I have with it is that because the fruit is in with the ice cream, it almost makes it too frozen. So
Like it's hard?
Like, yeah, like the fruit is like, I don't know how to
Crunchy?
describe it. Yeah. So I don't care for that.
Okay.
But yours is much better. But
Yeah.
I would say I would give mine, if I had to rate it, a 7.
A 7? Mm-hmm. I would give this one a 9.5.
A 9.5?
Yeah.
Really?
Because it's really good.
You're gonna rate it a fraction? Like, really?
9.25.
Yeah. Is there a
9.36.
is there a problem with 9.5? It's a very round,
9.47.
nice even fraction.
Actually, it'd be worse if you rated something stupid like 9.36.
That's true.
9.47.
But that's okay. 9.5 out of 10. The reason I say that is because I would like to have maybe
9.99.
like crunchy, something crunchy in here besides the chocolate. I like crispy, like crispiness. I don't know, crisp rice or Rice Krispies or something. I don't know. But otherwise, it's pretty good. Or nuts. Some nuts in here would be good too. 9.5. So that's pretty much it, guys, for the summer flavors of Dairy Queen. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. hit subscribe, tap that notifier bell so you know the next video is coming out. And remember, folks, before you take the first bite, you got to stuff it in your pie hole. We are out.